Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue in Mecha Break for Windows. I'm going to show you both on Steam and Xbox app, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is verify integrity of game files. On Xbox, the first thing you want to do is go to library, find the game, go to properties, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. On Xbox it's very similar, so what you do is you right click on it, you go to manage, you go to files, you go to verify and repair, and then see if that fixes the issue. By the way, if this video is helping you, please subscribe. It would really help the video's traction. Thank you very much. Okay, the next thing you want to do is force DirectX 11. By default, it runs on DirectX 12, which has a lot of issues, especially if you're running on Windows 11. So how do you do that in Steam? It's very easy to do. You right click on it, go to properties, under launch options, you go to -DX11, exit out and launch it as usual, and that will force it to go into DirectX 11. This will solve a lot of issues actually. On Xbox, it's a little bit harder to do, so what you need to do is right click on it, go to manage, go to create desktop shortcut, if you can do it. Unfortunately, I have all the desktop shortcuts turned off on my computer, but you can go here. Let me find a way to do this. So you want to open this in, go here, go to Mecha Break, go to content, go to the game launcher, Mecha Break.exe, right click on it, go to properties. And so once you're here, open mechbreak.exe. So right click on it, go to properties, you'll see something like mechabreak.exe, and after this type in -DX11, say OK and launch the game from this shortcut. By the way, since you're here, I would go click on the compatibility tab, run this program as an administrator just to be safe. By the way, it's DX11, not DX111, and then click apply and hit OK. Okay, assuming that didn't work for you, I would suggest that you update Windows, assuming you're on Windows. So what do you want to do? How do you do that? Go to settings, Windows Update on the very bottom left. And here you should see something like check for updates. I have updates needed to install actually, and click on restart now to install them. This fixes a lot more issues than you might think for your game, so I would definitely recommend doing it. I would also recommend updating the drivers for GeForce and NVIDIA and AMD as well. Also, okay, if that still isn't working, I recommend going into your antivirus. Go to Windows Defender, Windows Security. So type in Windows Security. Here, there's a couple of things that you want to turn off just to see if it works. First thing, virus and threat protection. Click on that. Look down, you'll see virus and threat protection settings. Under that, go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection. Turn this off. After you have done that, go back to this page, click on firewall and network protection, click on that, click on public network that is active, click on that, and turn off Windows Defender firewall, and then run the game to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, the last thing I would recommend is run the game in compatibility mode. So how do you do that? Right click on the game once again, find out where it is, where the file is for the executable. Go to browse here, Mecha Break content. Scroll down until you find the executable mechabreak.exe. Right click on this, go to properties. From here, go to compatibility tab, and from here there's something called compatibility mode. Try running this game in compatibility mode for Windows 8, even if you're not on Windows 8, and see if that fixes the issue. It does fix the issue for a lot of different people. By the way, I have checked Reddit and I have checked Twitter to see what other people are saying. People are saying that Discord is interfering with the game's launch, so I would recommend disabling Steam overlays, I should say. How do you do that? Right click on the game, go to properties, and click turn off Steam overlay while in game, and do the same for the Discord overlay. Okay, and last but not least, I would recommend using ExitLag to have the game run smoother. What is ExitLag? It is a software that basically improves the ping of your games. What it does basically is it will use AI to find the server that's closest to you. I use it for all my online gaming. I have a ping of 4 connected to Steam. So you just download it. The first 3 days are free. You go to library, you type in Mecha Break. Then what you do is that you find the server closest to you. I'm in Asia. It'll find some servers. I click apply routes and it will apply the routes, and you just keep this running and then run the game as usual, or you can run it from here actually. Then once you have done that, you'll get much better pings in your games. You can go to advanced settings. You can use other things as well. You can go to FPS boost, by the way, which turns off Windows. Turns off a lot of things. You can turn off the game bar, you can make minimum priority for background processes. You can do a lot of different things. This improves my lag in online gaming quite a bit, so I would definitely recommend it. There's a link in the video description below. Okay, that is it. If this video has helped you, please leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.